Hey traders, I'm finally back after a long break. I've really missed you all and sharing trading strategies with you, but I'm back now, refreshed and ready to bring you some powerful Forex insights. Actually, I was busy with my own trade and my personal life, thus I was not active on YouTube. In this video, I will show you how I turned a $20 Forex account into $2,000. This is a Euro-Swiss franc chart, and as you can see, the price has taken over the buy-side liquidity. This type of liquidity can be identified above the resistance level of price. The banks broke the resistance level and sold aggressively. After sweeping the liquidity, the price has developed a change of character by breaking the most recent lower low. For the market to move either bullish or bearish, a change of character or shift has to happen beforehand. This is the first sign that the market has reversed its direction. This is now our first order block zone, responsible for this change of character. After a change of character, the market broke another lower low, resulting in a break of structure. And here is our most recent order block zone responsible for the break of structure. And this break of structure shows up with a large imbalance candle. This is included as well in the method. It was previously said that a bullish move creates a higher high and higher low. For the market to shift from bullish to bearish, it must break the prior higher low. When it is broken, it is clear that the seller has gained control of the market. So, all of my pending sell limit orders will now be set from the imbalance area. Also set all of my stop losses above the order block zone. Actually, it is safer and more beneficial to put the stop loss above the maximum high. If you want, you can keep your stop loss right above the order block's top. So here are all of my pending sell limit orders, and the price must be met for those orders to be executed. Patience is a trader's superpower. In Forex, waiting for the right setup instead of chasing every trade separates winners from losers. Remember, the market rewards discipline, not impatience. So stay calm, stick to your strategy, and let the trades come to you. And this is my profit target area, based on the most recent liquidity point. Now see what happened next.
One day later. Nice.
So guys, as you can see, all of my pending orders have been executed and are now in profit. It took me roughly a day to get my positions into profit. Now, the price is in our profit target area, which is the most recent liquidity area, and it has broken. So now I will close all of my orders and book my profits. So you can see how I went from $20 to $110 on the first trade. So guys, this is my second trade. Following the first one, you can see that this is a gold chart. As you can see from the gold daily chart, buy-side liquidity has been swept by the price and has quickly returned to the trading range. After sweeping the liquidity, the price not only returned to the trading range but also broke the recent higher low of the price with huge power. This pricing behavior indicates that something or someone took big sell positions in gold. So you can see here, higher low has been broken and created a change of character. So this is our extreme imbalance area, which I colored in yellow. And this is another imbalance area. This is our order block zone, which is responsible for the change of character with huge imbalance candles. Guys, a strong change of character is a solid enough indicator to take positions in the market, but a break of structure is far more secure and reliable confirmation. So I didn't waste my time and placed all of my sell entries from the extreme imbalance area. So see what happens next.
One eternity later.
Guys, as you can see, 3 out of 4 pending orders have been executed, and all of my positions are profitable, so I'll close all of them and book my profits. Yeah, the price was quite close to my profit target zone, but I booked my profit early because the USD news comes a few hours later. So I've already made $20 into $528, and now I'll show you my final trade. Guys, trading is easy if you stick to your strategy, manage your risk, and control your emotions. The market isn't your enemy. Impatience and greed are. Master these and trading becomes much simpler. I always use the same method to create videos and show you guys. If you like, you may also follow my technique, which I point out quite clearly step by step on my Telegram channel. As you can see above, the price broke the lower low 2 times, resulting in a break of structure. Guys, I am still on the gold chart and looking for opportunities to take positions in the market. As you can see, the most recent order block zone, which is accountable for the final break of structure. When the price met the order block zone, began consolidating but did not break out and go above. Now, in the lower time frame, specifically the 5-minute chart, you can see another order block zone, which is an internal order block zone, and a change of character, which is also an internal change of character. All of these indicate that the price started to fall. So, this is our most current order block zone. This is what causes the change of character in the shorter time frame. That's why I placed all of my pending sell orders from this point and set my stop loss right above the order block zone. Smart Money Concepts SMC isn't just a trading technique, it's a mindset. It's about thinking like the big players, understanding market structure, and waiting for high probability setups. Patience, precision, and discipline are your greatest tools. Remember, you're not here to win every trade, you're here to trade smart and grow consistently. Trust the process, and the profits will follow. So these are all of my pending sell orders, and this is our profit target zone. If the price meets this target, I will close all of my orders and book my profits. Let's see what happened next.
A few moments later.
As you can see, 3 out of 4 painting orders have been executed and have already crossed the profit target zone. So now I'll close all my orders and book my earnings. Guys, my broker link is in the video description. If you like, you can join us, and you will receive a deposit bonus after fully verifying your account. You may also join my Telegram channel using the link in the description or in the first comment. I plan to share my free ideas as often as feasible. So don't miss it out, and if you like my video, share, like, and leave a comment. Also don't forget to subscribe my channel. So good luck guys, happy trading.